This is my life. If you don't like who I am or what I am doing with my life, that's alright. I am not living for you in this world. I am living for myself in this world because this is my life. And that's the only explanation you need. If you don't like my attitude, just quiet. Yours. Don't worry about what I do, my life, my choices, my mistakes, my lessons, not your business. My life is my life. What I do, where I go, and how I live it. It's my business, not yours. So keep your nonsense out of it and get on with your own business. Don't disturb me in coming my life. I don't need you. Go away from my life if you don't like my life. This is Jannat, your love taker. Thank you so much.